If you've upgraded your headlights or any other lighting on the front end and you want to complete the look with a set of fog lights, these Axiom Axial Series LED fog lights will be a great option for your 2007 or newer JK or JL Wrangler. Now these will complete that LED look for the front end of your Wrangler if you're looking to switch it up to a full LED setup and you want a stealthy and stylish set to do so. Now this kit will also be great if you've damaged any of your fog lights and you want an affordable replacement while also getting some better light output if you're struggling with clarity at night. Now these are going to feature a black inner housing that's going to darken the appearance of the fog light and really make the lighting pop when they're on. Now speaking of the lighting, this will have 3 projector bars with high intensity LEDs which will form a consistent and brighter beam compared to the factory halogen bulbs. Now you can also trust that these will last with a 50,000 hour lifespan and have some peace of mind that these are also going to be DOT and SAE approved. Now getting into the construction, these will have a die-cast aluminum housing for durability and good heat dispersion. Now on the front, these will also have a polycarbonate lens that will offer full transparency and will be tough enough to handle any kick-up on or off-road. Now I also really like the fact that this will accommodate both the 4-hole bolt pattern that the JK has and some JL models have, while also including this additional bracket here for the JL Sport models. Now these will also be completely plug and play to offer a simple install with no additional wiring, but it does come with a pigtail wire here if you're looking to wire these into a custom setup or any other way. When it comes to price, like I said, these are going to be very affordable at roughly $85. Now when comparing these to other options available on the site, I think the big takeaway with this set is the simplicity that you're getting with the good function in design and also being, again, one of your most affordable choices so you can save a couple bucks. Now others may come with additional features including halos, RGB functions, turn signal functions, and overall just a different design to the lighting itself. Not to mention this tailors to the JL Sport bolt pattern and the standard 4-hole pattern, so if you upgrade your stock bumper in the future, you don't have to question, making this a no-brainer in my book. Now install, again, will be very straightforward, so I'm giving it a 1 out of 3 wrenches on the difficulty meter, probably taking you about 2 hours to get the job done with some pretty basic hand tools. Now speaking of the install, one of our installers here is going to walk you through that process step by step. So that's going to wrap it up for me. Let's go ahead and head over to the shop to check that out.
Tools used for this install: a stubby Phillips screwdriver and a clip removal tool. Hey guys, I'm going to show you how to install our LED fog lights here on our 2014 Wrangler. So let's get started. So the first thing we're going to do to get started is we have 2 electrical connectors in the back here, one on that side, one on this side, and 4 Phillips head screws, 2 here and 2 here on the inside here. So we're going to start by pulling our connector and then removing our screws. So now it's hard to see back here, but what I'm going to do is there's a little clip here that's holding the electrical connector on to the fog light. I'm just going to push in on the tab and remove the plug, just like that. We'll get that out of the way. Next, we're going to take our short stubby Phillips. We're going to get in here and you're going to be able to feel the 4 screws. I'm just going to run them out. On this side, and get these 2 out. And another one up here. Now that we have all 4 of the screws out, we're going to be able to remove our fog light. And it's a little tight space here, but I'm going to be able to pull this right up through here and get this out from behind the bumper. So now that we have our 4 screws out, I'm going to take my fog light, set it down in place, and you're going to want to repeat this same procedure on the opposite side. Next, we're going to remove our grill. That'll give us access to pull our fog light out. Now we're going to remove the grill. What we're going to do is we have 6 push clips up top here. I'm going to take my clip removal tool, get up in here, pop our push clips out of the way here. And now we have those removed. And drop my grill down, pop it out in the bottom, remove our plastic clips right here that hold in our harness for our fog light, just like that, and remove our grill. So now we're going to just remove our fog light. Now we have plenty of room, and you're just going to want to repeat this uninstall procedure on the opposite side. So now we're going to install our new fog light. As you can see, there's 4 holes. We have 2 here that have, for the pins that are down there, they'll line that up. And we're going to get this back down in place here and get it seated where it's got to go. And I'm going to start my 4 Phillips screws. So now we have our light in place. We have 4 screws that I just started by hand. This one here, this one here, and 2 on this side. And what I'm going to do, take my flat, short, stubby Phillips screwdriver here, and I'm going to get in here and tighten these 4 screws up and run them in. Now we got those 4 tight, we'll re-hook up our electrical connector. So now we're just going to hook up our electrical connection right here. Place like that. Now we'll reinstall our grill. So now before you put the grill on, you're going to want to repeat that same install procedure on the opposite side. And now we'll install our grill. First thing we're going to do is hook up our electrical connections right here on the end. Plug our turn signal back in. And do the same on the opposite side. And now we'll take our grill, push it back into place, line up our clips on the bottom, give it a tap, tap it in like that, get it up top. Now we'll put our push clips on the top. So now we'll install our push clips. Let's get them back into place. That wraps up this review and install of our Axial LED fog lights for 07 and newer Jeep Wrangler JK and JLs. Thanks for watching, and for all things Wrangler, keep it right here at ExtremeTerrain.com.